Let's cook a fun dessert. This is one of the most easiest desserts, fried desserts that one can cook. Just a banana, 2 ingredients, banana, sweet banana or banana for cooking, and sunflower oil, vegetable sunflower oil, because it makes the fried food taste well. The banana has potassium, sugar, water, all the things that are needed, just a banana. My assistant is gonna cut this banana in slices. Okay, this is the banana without the peel. And for the frying of the banana, it's very important to have the slices that correspond to the result. So when the banana is frying, then it's gonna evaporate half or 30% or 40%. So you have to put the slices a little bit bigger and assume that they're gonna become smaller during the process of frying. Or you can also fry them indifferently. If you want to fry them mildly, very mildly, you slice them in small slices. Now let's get the cutting. Chop, chop, chop. Just like that. This dish is originally from the places where the banana grow. The Caribbean people use it a lot, so it's just a banana, or platano, how they call it. There is a banana for cooking and the sweet banana. This is a sweet banana. It's gonna result in a very sweet fried food, which is more healthy than other fried foods because it's fruits. Fruits are healthy. Okay, let's put it all. The different level of ripeness of the banana is going to result in a different taste. The green one has more starch, is going to result in a more starchy taste. The orange one is almost overripe, is going to result in a very sweet fried potato or banana. And the medium green, medium yellow is going to result in a mildly sweet and a decent taste. So the taste of the fried banana is gonna correspond to the taste of the initial taste of the banana. There is no magic, no wonders. If the banana tastes well before the frying, it's gonna taste well after the frying, but it's gonna add the fried taste of the sunflower seed oil. Let's get to the frying step. There are many ways to cut the banana. One can slice them in horizontal slices, in diagonal slices, chopped into particles, or sliced in half. When you fry the banana, the larger parts are more easy to handle. Like this one is the smallest one that's easier to handle. This one is a bit difficult to handle, but different people prefer different things. And some people like these smaller parts, some like the medium size, the diagonal one. And if you want to be lazy and easy, just slice it in half and fry the one side and then turn it around. It's going to be more easy to turn. So the size of the slice is going to determine the easiness of the turning over of the banana when it's frying. Let's get to the frying part. The cutting and the shape of the banana slice is going to determine the process of the frying. On the mild heat it's going to be like this, it's going to be slow bubbles. The frying process is going to be longer, but it's going to be more healthy. If you want to be faster, or if you like, or if you prefer the taste of the harshly fried things, then you can just increase the heat. It's gonna bubble up very well. That's how they do it in the restaurants. At home you can be more smart and you can reduce the heat. So now it's evaporating. The bubbles is the water and the vapor that exits the banana. And it's gonna be smaller in size when it's all finished. And the most crucial step is turning over, in case you want to save on the vegetable oil. It's also possible to add half of the pan with the vegetable oil and totally soak it in the vegetable oil. But if you turn them over, you can save 50% or more oil. And when the slices are more easy to turn over, then it's more easy to handle. Like the diagonal ones are more easy to turn over. The whole banana slice is a little bit more complicated. You have to use a fork for that. The smaller bits are also okay with the fork. The diagonal one are the most easy ones. And the smaller chopped parts, with a fork you can turn them over. Let's finish that frying part and see what happens. This is the initial result on a slow heat, slow frying, and lots of turning, turn twice. Like this side is fried, this lesser fried, there is a fried taste. So the different types of slices produce a different result. The thicker ones produce a different taste. The thinner one produce a more fried product, like the potato chips from the potato bags. Yes, crunchy, but still soft. Let's try the thicker one. More soft. The thicker it is, the softer it becomes. Or this one small bit. Let's try this. It's more crunchy. The thinner slices are more crunchy. The medium-sized slices are a bit like cookies that are fried and tasty. It's actually a very interesting taste, like a sweet potato. Once again, the diagonal slices are more easy to handle and they fry better in the frying pan. You can also fry it in a wok, you can steam it, you can bake them, you can microwave them. Microwave is going to be different, it's going to be crusty, just going to be bland. Let's try this one. Crunchy and soft. Crunchy outside, soft inside. A bit like a creamy cookie. A bit like a sweet potato. Has a different taste. You have to try it to know what it is. Let's go finish the set. It's also possible to be more creative. If you fry things in the vegetable oil can have spices and taste inside, like let's say some garlic, because why not? One round was just sweet and the second round can be with garlic, just like you do when you fry potato. So the taste of the garlic is going to enter the vegetable oil and subsequently enter into the fried banana. Or it can be even more, a little bit more crazy, like the Indian spices. Let's add some curry mixed with curcuma and black pepper and a little bit of chili, the black pepper and curry. So it's a more wilder mix. And the vegetable oil, it absorbs well the spices, the oil from the spices. So it's gonna have a sweet taste and a taste of spices, just as if you would do with the potato. Let's finish this round. Presentation is very important in the food industry and at home when you give private visits and private festivals and private celebrations. Decorations and the presentation is important. The paper is not so nice, but it's very essential to remove the excess vegetable oil. And psychedelic and psychoactive flowers are very important in the presentation of food. They smell nice. If you eat them, you get nice dreams and sleep well. Just eating the fried banana might be not a good thing for the health, so that's why you have to have an equilibrated food and then eat more things. Salad, nacho style, quesadilla style nachos, cold brew red tea, mixed salad and flowers. Netflix and chill is ready. I hope you like this recipe. Experiment with it at home and discover your favorite style of fried banana. Let's take this one. Yes, let's see. Looks pretty good for an ending. Have fun. Ta-da-da. Yes, the guy is cutting green mango for sale. It's like a lemon tree in India. Cut, 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 chop, chop, chop. A very nice machine for chopping. Here's a quick trick for how to cut a tomato. First we remove the part that is connected from the tomato to the stem of the tomato plant by cutting it in a circular motion. And then here is a trick. You squeeze out the juice into the salad, into the sink or into the salsa, into the sauce that you are trying to prepare. Squeeze it out, make it dry. Make it more solid. Now the tomato is more or less flat. Now we can cut it like this, cut it. it's more easy to cut. One hand cutting, and then as you go you just twist it, turn it, and it comes out in slices. So here's how it works. Here's a tomato. It's flat, squeezed out, there is no juice inside, so it's more easy to handle. Now it just goes in slices. A bit like the texture is a bit like meat. And because it's squeezed, it's more easy to cut. First, even if the knife is unsharp, but you have to initiate with a little bit of motion. And it's easy to move around because it's already squeezed. This style of tomato cutting is good for the preparation of salsa or for the salads that don't require tomato as a decoration. If you want the tomato to be the decoration of the salad, then it's not the best way to slice tomato. But basically it's like a little bit smashed and mashed tomato, which is now ready for consumption. So the main trick is to squeeze out the juice of the tomato. Squeeze and make it flat, and then to cut it flat without the juice. So I hope this helps. Have fun cooking.